We are going to talk about how to draw a polygon. You can use the polygon tool when you want to define an area on your site plan. The polygon tool is located here. There are different types of polygon. If you hold it, you'll notice you can do square, you can do various kind of closed sections, pie by center, and so forth. If you remember, AutoCAD is a similar concept. You can draw and close that polygon. For example, I'm going to zoom into this section, right? I'm going to trace it down. I'm going to trace down the section that I want and release it. So I have the polygon. I can now define this polygon to be whatever it needs to be. For example, this is going to be, I'm going to call it planting by driveway. I can select it to be what I need it to be, right? Or I can leave it as it is. It has characteristics, width, length, height, and so forth, and all the information is in the same place.